Now let's discuss the ratio formula. So it says here that let A and B be 2 points whose position vectors are A and B, right? So these are the points A and B. This is A and this is B. And the position vectors of these points obviously are A and B. And basically what the position vectors are basically the vectors running from the origin O. So the position vector A is basically equal to the vector that runs from O till A. So basically A is equal to OA, right? Similarly, B is equal to OB. So I've discussed what position vectors are earlier. So if you do not know what they are, please refer to that video. Now, so it says that if a point P divides AB in the ratio P ratio Q, right? So this is the point P over here, and it divides this AB, this vector AB, by the ratio P and Q, right? Then the position vector of P, what is the position vector of P? The vector that runs from O till P, and that is R over here, right? So how do we find R? By this formula. Now, actually this is not equal to P, this is equal to Q. So basically QA plus PB is over P plus Q is equal to R. How do we come to this conclusion? Well, simple. As you know, it says that this point P divides AB into two parts, P and Q. So AP, the vector AP plus the vector PB, the vector AP divided by the vector PB is obviously equal to P over Q, right? So AP ratio PB, is equal to P over Q, right? So let's see how we came to this formula. Let's just cross multiply these, right? So basically that just means that QAP is equal to PPP, right? Now, here's the thing. We must replace this AP and PB with the known values that are given to us, right? So let's just see what this means. Look at this triangle over here, this one, right? From this, you can actually, by using the head to tail method, you can see that OA plus AP is equal to OP, right? So let's just see what that means. So the vector A plus AP is equal to OP, right? So OP is equal to R. And basically, we need to find AP. So AP is equal to R minus A, right? Similarly, if you look at this triangle over here, this lower triangle, by using the head to tail method, you can see that R or OP plus PB is equal to OB or B. So what that means is that R plus PB is equal to B, right? Now, since we need to find PB over here, PB is equal to B minus R, right? So we'll replace this AP over here with R minus A, right? So Q into R minus A is equal to, and this PB is equal to B minus R, so P into B minus R, right? Now let's expand this, multiply it. So QR minus QA is equal to PB minus PR, right? Now, since we need to find R, we'll take the terms with R in them on one side and everything else on the other side. So we have QR over here on the left hand side and PR over here on the right hand side, right? So we'll take them on one side and the rest on the other. So let's see. Just a second. Right. So QR plus PR is equal to PB plus QA, right? And let's take R common over here. So that just gives you R into Q plus P is equal to PB plus QA, right? And you'll divide this on the other side because it's being multiplied on the left hand side. It'll be divided on the right hand side. So R is equal to PB plus QA over Q plus P. And that is how you got this. Funny, right? So yeah, that's the ratio formula proven.